The 6 kilowatts battery module laser welding automatic production line solution consists of a battery loading station, a welding host, a product visual positioning system, and a control system. The laser gantry galvanometer standard machine is used, with a lifting device and a weldment conveyor table to realize automatic battery loading. The welding point positioning adopts CCD visual camera positioning, and a sensor is added to measure the height to realize automatic detection of welding position and automatic welding. The motion platform movement repetition accuracy can reach 0.02 millimeters. The 6 kilowatts battery laser welding equipment can meet the requirements of welding point bearing capacity greater than equals 1000 N, weld width of 2 to 4 millimeters. Pole penetration greater than equals 0.9 millimeters, width greater than equals 1.25 millimeters, 1 to 3 millimeters aluminum sheet and various shapes of battery cells, pole continuous welding.